Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Something a little bit different today. We're going to work on our MacBook Air. This is a 12 through 14, I think, but we need to replace the battery. If you see up here, there's a service battery warning, and basically the battery shot. It's 5 years old. What more can you expect, I guess? This is the one I use for editing my videos and everything, so I want to keep her going. I've had that message for a while and haven't had time, but now we got to bite the bullet and do it. I'm going to show you what I bought, the parts, and then we'll take it apart. We'll put it back together, cross our fingers, and hope that it works. So what I bought here was the Pentalobe bottom case screws. I bought the screws and the tool. I'm pretty sure I have the tool. I thought some screws were missing, so I just bought the little kit here. Now there's different size screws, so you're going to be mindful when you take them out that you put the appropriate screw back in the appropriate place. Also, what I bought for the MacBook Air was the battery, and this here's the battery and the battery number. I'll put the replacement parts down in the description of my video, but we'll open this up quick. Maybe not so quick. Comes packaged nicely here, and that's what the battery looks like. Oh, look at that. I didn't know that when I ordered them. I didn't see it on there. They also send the screwdrivers, so that's pretty cool. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I think I like these better than what came with my other set. They are a little longer and have a little bit better hold on them. So I'm going to start taking this baby apart. Of course, the first thing I'm going to do is shut it down. So we'll do a shutdown and then we'll continue. Got two things here to keep my screws where they should be. I got the metal magnetic cup there, and of course the old egg crate to put the parts in. So let's see which one fits here, and we'll start taking this apart. We'll start up here at the top screws. That one doesn't seem to fit. That one does. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. And like I said, be mindful. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put them up here. I'll know that they're the top. Ooh. Ooh. Come, baby, come. Alright, there's number 2. Now we'll go and we'll take the small ones out. And they are tiny. I don't know if you can see them, but they are wee tiny. That's another reason to buy extra screws. If you round one out or have a hard time getting it out, you always have extra screws. And you got to be careful with this. These are not the best quality screwdrivers, so make sure you don't round one off. Take your time. Apply pressure and make sure you get them out and don't round those heads out. And the other thing is, as small as these are, for me, I'm glad to have extra ones because I may end up needing one if these go flying across the table somehow. Okay, now all we should have to do is by hand pull this up. Come up here. Popped right off. So now if you look inside here, if you if you look inside here, you got, there's one, two, three, four, five. It looks like one in the middle. Those look smaller. Maybe that's the other screwdriver. So let's take those out. I've never taken it apart before, so I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying 5. So let's take that apart. Two bottom ones were shorter, so let's see if all these top ones are the same. Yep, that's a longer one. So your two bottom ones are the shorter ones. So now the next thing you want to do is you're going to grab this little, there's a little tab here. Let me get you in closer. See that little plastic tab? That's our connector. We'll take and lift that up and pull it out. And that came out. Then we'll see if we can lift this battery up and if we got all the, oh yeah, I guess we did get them all out. So there it is. Now assembly will be the reverse, of course, of disassembly. But I'm going to blow this off because I see there's dust in my fan and everything like that. So I'm going to do that. And I'll be back when we put it back in and boot it up. So the batteries look exactly the same. We'll just get the battery back in here. We'll get this one in. We'll get this little, we'll get our connector in there first. Get that lined up. There we go. Using the tab, we'll get her back in. Make sure you get it pushed all the way in. And then we'll just start putting the screws back in. So we'll put our back on now. Get our holes lined up. Got the two big ones in the middle, up top, and the rest are the shorter size. And I think we can use all of our old screws. And we'll have an extra set for some other time just in case. Unless we lose one here in the process. So let's turn it on and see if we have any success or not. Well, that sounded good, promising. So let's see. And if you can see, I'll zoom you in here. Our service battery is now gone. We have 56%. I'm hoping it'll last longer. So I'm going to plug this in, start it charging, edit this video, and get it out. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bull... This bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Dirty, rotten, how dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!